to another video. I'm the Magic Hardman. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to magically make any Oreo cookie vanish just like that. How cool is that? Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Are you excited? I bet you are, because you're watching this video, so you are excited. So you need any Oreo cookie, and hold it just like this. You have your hand just like this. You put it right here and hold it with your thumb just like this, and kind of just lift it up just a little bit, because what you're about to do is this part right here is going to kind of hide it a little bit. So as you go to grab it, what you want to do when you want to go to grab it, when you're going like this, you want to just drop it with your thumb just like this. Boom. Drop it with your thumb. Boom. And so when you go to grab it, drop it and pretend to grab it, and then it's still right here. It's still right here. And then just kind of close your hand, put it off to the side, and now all their attention's on this hand, and you just go, now it's vanished. And what you can do is put the Oreo in your pocket or just hold it. You can kind of palm it just like this. So you can do a whole bunch of different cool things, and that's how you do the vanishing Oreo cookie. Just like that. Love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, join the Magic Fam, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!